Are you tired on all the dropshipping stores looking exactly the same? And are you tired on Shopify limitations when you should build your dream store or your dream web shop? I will show you a tool today that can change all of that, okay? So let's jump into the video. Hi and welcome to Ecom by Nick. On this channel we talk ecom, we talk dropshipping and everything surrounding that. Please give a like up and subscribe and check out my earlier videos. In this video we will talk about Shopify and that we have a lot of limitations on Shopify. We can't customize our checkout. We can download apps for like post upsells and things like that, but sometimes it doesn't work because we have a different currency or something like that, and it's really hard to do really good landing pages and really good product pages, and maybe they are putting limitations on your dream and how you want it to look. In this video we will go over that. I will show you a tool. It's called Funnelish, and let's jump into it. This tool is called Funnelish, and if you click the link in the top of the description, you will come to this site. You just sign in or try for free. And here you can see, we will go over the platform a little bit for you now. You have a dashboard. Here you can see your sales and everything. And don't worry, you can connect this to your Shopify store. You can have this like an app on your Shopify store, so it shows your Funnelish store, the Shopify payment and everything works. You do that, the Funnelish app. And here you have your funnels. And the great thing with Funnelish also is that you can have one Shopify store and one website, and you can create a lot of different funnels, and they all look like a new website or a new web shop. So you can test products really quick. And yes, and then you have your orders, your customers, your analytics, everything you need, of course, to build a good brand. And in this way also, I have talked about this so much that it's so important now, 2026, or last year also, to look micro-branded and to look like a real brand. And this can really help you. If you want to do like pages like this, like take a quiz, if you are running like a beauty store or something like that, you can push the customers to take a quiz and then push them in the right direction. What you can do with Funnelish is that you can work a lot with customer psychology and how to sell your product to your customers. You can do it with a quiz, like I said. You can do it with a landing page that really talks to your customer before you go to the shop now. And you can do it with ordinary like sales funnels. And this is also really cool. And the things you can do is, of course, you see that you can do a lot more with the design. You can design it however you want, with upsells, with codes, everything like that. Here is the checkout. It looks a lot different from your Shopify checkout, of course. And this is just one example. In this checkout, we can do upsell directly. We can also do a automatic upsell. Your average order value will be, of course, a lot higher. Look at this checkout from the other page. It's really good. You can choose your flavor. You can choose that they are automatically choosing another package or bundle. You can do whatever you want. And how do you do this? I want this landing page. I want this product page. How do you do this? Very easy. You go to the dashboard. No, you go to the get started. And here you have a lot of templates. If you don't want to build from scratch, of course, you can do that also. But here you have a lot of templates. So if you're in health and beauty, you can just choose one that's looking like the site you want, and then you can customize it, of course, with your branding. Food and drinks, really popular, trending. You have e-com funnels, you have digital products, you have sales, you have dropshipping funnels. You have everything here. I want you to see these templates, of course, as a foundation for you, your brand, and then you should build it after that, of course. But let's choose one. We take an e-commerce funnel. So I have chosen to work with this e-commerce funnel because on the first glimpse it looks like almost a regular dropshipping store like we do in Shopify mostly, but it has so much more, and that's what I want to show you. So you have the landing page here, and it looks something like this, with upsells, everything. And I will show you one thing. Here you have the sales funnel, but here you have the checkout, and you can customize the checkout however you want. So we go to edit, and here you have how the checkout will look. You can customize that, and also then you can customize checkout too. You can customize upsell, downsell, thank you page. You have everything here. And the about you page, of course, terms of service, privacy policy, everything like that. You get a complete website here, complete web shop. And this is, of course, what differentiates this from Shopify, is that you have the checkout, you have the 3 different checkout you can, but you have the upsell, the downsell, the thank you page, so you can upsell them, you can downsell the customer. So your AOV will of course be a lot higher, like I said in the start. Yeah, I have worked with Funnelish for a long time. I have built a lot of stores on Funnelish, and it works really good. I think you should try it out. You can try it out, of course, just to get a little bit warm. You can have your Shopify store and just do like a landing page or something and test it out, and then that redirects to your product page. But I think you should build the product page also on Funnelish, so you get the checkout, the upsell, and everything like that, because I think that's where it really stands out. And like I said, you can do things like this. A quiz. It's perfect. Analyzing your skin, and then we show the product to the customer and put in their email, see my results, and then we sell them. Professional, and you're selling your customer on a whole new level. Here I will show you a little bit in the editing tool how easy. You can change the picture, everything, change the text, change the colors, everything is very easy. And then of course you can change from mobile view to computer to tablet to get it perfect on every device. In this video I just wanted to show you this tool. It's really powerful if you use it the right way. If you want to try it out by yourself, you can use my link. It's the top of the description. Of course it's an affiliate link, but you help the channel out. And I think I will do a video next week or something where I build out a total sales funnel for you using Funnelish. So give me a like on this video, subscribe, and I will do that video for you next time. And hopefully I see you in the next video.